Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to extract numbers from a sentence using Excel's Flash Fill feature with just one shortcut. First, open your Excel worksheet. Here, I've got a list of sentences, and each one contains a number. Now here's the magic. Once you've typed the first number, select the cell with the number and press Ctrl E on your keyboard. Excel will use Flash Fill to automatically recognize the pattern and extract the numbers from the rest of the sentences. Now, let's try extracting just the text. Just like before, press Ctrl + E on your keyboard, and Excel will automatically extract the text from the remaining sentences. And there you have it!